Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Vrenmol for sending me this beautiful cat eye polygel kit that I will be reviewing for you guys today. So as you guys can see, it brings 6 15-gram polygels, and here I'm just showing you all the colors that it brings and also the 2 cat eye ones that it includes in this beautiful polygel kit. The creativity is absolutely endless, and by the way, thank you so much for allowing me to reach 700 plus subscribers. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. It means the absolute world to me. Now let's get straight into this tutorial. By the way guys, I will be getting into the rhythm of uploading more often. I did take some time off, but now I am back, and this is what the polygels look like after they've been cured. And now after I picked out my Beetles full cover nail tips off camera, I am just buffing them for a more plush, natural look when I apply them on. So now I will be grabbing the glitter pink polygel and using a base coat as the slip solution. Now I'm just applying the polygel inside of the full cover nail tip and just molding and smoothing it out. This is a very easy method and just an easy tutorial that anybody can recreate at home. I think it is just beautiful, and the creativity is definitely endless. And one of the reasons why I definitely love using full cover nail tips is because you don't really have to worry about shaping too much, and your nails will come out so pretty. After, I will just be placing on the nail and curing it for 60 through 90 seconds. Now I am just going to continue to repeat the same method for the rest of the nails. And by the way, I already own a bunch of the Vrenmol polygel kits. I really love them. I've spoke about them in my other tutorials. I definitely recommend them. They're great quality, they're easy to use, and they're also very affordable. I will have everything linked down below. I really ended up loving the way that this cat eye look turned out. I think it was really pretty, but I did decide to go for some bling in the middle finger particularly. But yeah, here I'm just repeating the rest of the process that I did on the other nails to the rest. And I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. Thank you once again for all the love and support. It absolutely means the world to me, and I love you guys so much. So here are what the nails are looking like so far, and now I am gonna go in with shaping and filing and then buffing. If you guys want to achieve a nice coffin shape, remember to just file straight down both side walls of the nails and at a 45-degree angle. here I'm going in with the Beetles top coat, and I'm using this to adhere my rhinestones. So now I am just going to go in and apply the rhinestones to the nails. Honestly, I didn't really know what I wanted to go for this look. I actually had to think about it a lot, and I just went with the flow, and whatever I decided to create along the way, that is what I did. I don't always know what to create when I'm doing nails, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said before, thank you so much for all the love and support. Literally, when I read those comments, it makes my day, and I'm just so appreciative for each and everybody that takes the time to give it a thumbs up, watch my tutorials, or just support my channel or any of my social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.